Welcome. Today, we're going to explore how to use two Snapchat accounts on one phone. Many users find themselves juggling personal and professional accounts or simply want to maintain a separate space for different friends or interests. The good news is that you can do this easily with a manual log out and log in method. Let's get started. First, open Snapchat and tap your profile icon in the top left corner. This will take you to your profile where you can access your settings and account information. Next, tap the settings gear icon located in the top right corner of your profile. Here, you'll find various options related to your account. Scroll down until you see the log out option. Tapping, this will sign you out of your current account. Once you've logged out, it's time to log in with your second account. You'll be prompted to enter your username and password. After entering the details for your second account, simply tap Log In. And just like that, you're now using your second Snapchat account. Switching between accounts is quick, although it does require a few extra steps each time you want to change accounts. Keep in mind that while this method is straightforward, it may not be the most efficient for frequent switching. However, it's a reliable way to manage two accounts without needing any additional apps or complicated workarounds. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on maximizing your Snapchat experience and managing multiple accounts. Happy snapping!